Welcome to ANAARM YouTube channel. Today's topic is understanding a data flow and stock flow within Business 365 ERP. In our previous video, we introduced ANAARM Business 365 ERP. Today, we shall explain two important concepts that make every ERP system effective. These concepts are data flow and stock flow. Although they sound similar, they serve different purposes. Now, data flow is the movement of business information from one ERP module to another. Instead of entering the same information repeatedly, ANAARM Business 365 ERP allows modules to share information automatically. Everything begins with master data management, which serves as the foundation of the ERP. For example, products created in master data management become available in inventory management. That is number one. Procurement management uses supplier and product information that were previously created in a master data management. Number two. On the other hand, sales management uses both customer and product information previously created in a master data management. Number three. Again, the same products created in master data are used by recipe and bill of materials management, while production batch management uses recipes and bills of materials that were previously created. Production relies on recipe and a BOM and not directly to master data. What does this mean? It means that information is entered once and reused throughout the ERP. That improves consistency and eliminates duplicate data entry. While data flow moves information, stock flow moves physical inventory. Let's see how it works. When goods are purchased, purchase management records the transaction and inventory receives the materials. In simple terms, purchase management makes goods to flow into the inventory, that is stocking. The green arrow is indicating that. Now, when production begins, raw materials are issued from inventory into production. So what it simply means is that there is a stock out of raw materials from inventory to production. The blue arrow is indicating that. Then after production is completed, the finished products are returned to inventory. That is stocking from production to inventory. The green arrow is indicating that, which means production is a two-way traffic for stock management. And finally, when customers buy products, inventory supplies the finished goods. So sales simply means stock out in our ERP system. Throughout this entire process, ANAARM Business 365 ERP automatically updates inventory quantities, movement history, batch records, and business transactions in real time. In simple terms, the master data leads to business modules, inventory movements, business transactions, and the real-time reports. This integrated workflow gives your business accurate inventory balances, complete product traceability, reduced manual errors, faster business operations, better management decisions based on real-time information. In our next video, we shall begin exploring each ERP module individually, starting with master data management, the foundation upon which every other module depends. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the ANAARM YouTube channel. Like this video and share it with others who want to modernize their business operations using ANAARM Business 365 ERP.